In competitive exams, sometimes we see to find out the cube roots. For that, we'll see a simple logic. We know all the cubes and cube roots from 1 to 9. So now we find out the cubes of the digits from 1 to 9. In that, cube of 1 is 1, 2 is 8. We know all these values up to 9. From these, we come to know that the cube is 1, the cube root is 1. If the cube is 8, the cube root is 2. And if cube is 27, the cube root is 3. And likewise, we all know these values. If we observe these values, we come to know that if the last digit in cube is 8, then the last digit of cube root is 2. The last digit of cube root is 4. Cube is 4. Then the last digit of cube root is 4. The last digit of cube is 5. Then the last digit of cube root is 5. Last digit of cube is 6. Then the last digit of cube root is 6. Likewise, we get last digit. If last digit of cube is 1, we get the last digit of cube root is 1. Last digit of cube is 8. And the last digit of cube root is 2, and vice versa. And if the last digit of cube is 2, we get the last digit of cube root as 8. And if the last digit of cube is 7, we get the last digit of cube root as 3. And vice versa. The last digit of cube is 3, we get the last digit of cube root is 7. And if the last digit of cube is 4, the last digit of cube root is 4. The last digit of cube root is 5. The last digit of cube is 5, and vice versa. And if the last digit of cube is 6, we will get the last digit of cube as 6. And if the last digit of cube is 9, we will get the last digit of cube as cube root is 9. Here we have to find out the cube root value of 54,872. For that, we need to group these 3, because as we are finding the cube root, we have to take 3 from the right side, 3 digits from the right side, and we have to group other digits which are remaining here. So for these 3 digits, here the last digit is 2 in the cube. In the cube root, we have the last digit as 8. As we have already come across, the last digit of the cube who has last digit as 2 is 8. And also now we have here the number 54. Below this 54, we have perfect cube 27. So the cube root of 27 is 3. This is the answer, and you can check it.